I want you to bring up the indicator panel. Now search for the extreme trend reversal points. We can see that this indicator also has an editor pick. All thanks to you who must not be named for crafting this masterpiece. Now see the magic combining these two indicators. If you have a new reversal signals, wait for the breakout on oscillator workbench divergence before we take a short trade. Here again, we had a signal. If we waited for the breakout on the current divergence, you would have made a good long profitable trade. Okay, it even gets better. Here we had a signal, we had a breakout. Here we had another signal, and we had another breakout. And we can see price went in our favor. Okay, here we had a couple of breakout. Wait, lemma zoom in. We had a couple of reversal strategy, and price broke out at this point, so if we entered trade at this point, as we can see, good bearish move. Now that's not all yet. I hope you already seeing how beautiful this masterpiece is. I really don't need to tell you that this is your breakthrough trading goal if you really know what you are doing. Okay traders, so we see we got another signal point here. We would have lost this particular trade because price action broke below our divergence channel, and you would have been stopped out if you used the higher divergence channel as our level of stop loss. And we got a new signal here and ended up having good breakout at this point, and we would have had this massive profit. Now, let's assume we had entered this sell trade at this breakout, and we go short here at the breakout, then stop loss at the higher divergence level, and the profit we would have made is up to 361 times what you risked in the market. Like, can you see how profitable this is? So traders, make sure you really check out this strategy. It even gets better here, as we got a breakout, and if we entered this trade and set our stop loss at this level, we would have had a nice trade. And here is one losing trade, and if we entered this breakout signal, as there was a divergence channel at this point, we would have been stopped out, so make sure you do the proper backtesting. Now if you entered this breakout, as this looks very good, and we can see we would have made 7 times what you risked in the market. So make sure you check this strategy out if you want to trade the gold United States dollar and become profitable. And I think we would have to stop here in today's video. So thank you for watching traders. See you on to the next one.